I've been using this hair mask that was sent to me and it works great. I used it earlier. Right now my hair is air drying, but I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a hot tool and show you the after. So this is what it looks like. And the consistency is thick. So it's a nice thick consistency. Has a beautiful smell to it. I'm just going to put it on the back of my palm so you can kind of see. You're going to get your hair wet and you're going to then towel dry it and coat it with this. So you're gonna coat this through your entire hair and then you just wrap it up in a hair towel. If you have like a hot towel, you could do that. You can leave it on anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes or a couple hours. Some people even sleep with it. I haven't done that yet. I've even done less than that. I've literally taken this in the shower, put it in my hair for like a minute or two and rinsed it out and noticed a difference. So you just don't want to get it on your clothes or anything like that. And then once you've rinsed it out, then you're gonna go ahead and shampoo and condition as normal. And now let's go ahead and get this hair dried and see the lasting effects. And done. I think this did a great job making my hair feel very restored, back to health, and keeps it nice and shiny.